Hey Lemon Cone fam, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making some irresistible chicken pita sandwiches that are perfect for lunchboxes, tea time, or just when cravings hit hard. Let's start from the beginning, cause great sandwiches need great bread. In a large bowl, pour in lukewarm water, sugar, and active dry yeast. Mix it well and let it sit for 5 minutes until it turns nice and bubbly. That's your yeast coming to life. Now add warm milk, oil, sifted all-purpose flour, and oh, don't forget to add the salt. The camera wasn't filming while we added that. Now mix everything and knead until a soft dough forms. If needed, add a little more water. Once the dough is ready, drizzle a bit of oil and knead again for 2 to 3 minutes to make it smooth. Grease the bowl and the dough and leave it in a warm spot for about an hour or so until it doubles in size. Now while our dough takes its cozy nap, let's get the star filling ready. But hey, don't forget to subscribe to Lemon Cone and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Now in a hot pan, pour some oil and add sliced onions. Saute until they're golden, then toss in bite-sized chicken cubes and a spoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook until the chicken changes color. Now for the flavors, add salt, black pepper, paprika, dried oregano, and soy sauce. Cover and cook on low flame until it's tender and most of the moisture is gone. Turn off the heat, add shredded cheddar cheese, and stir until it melts beautifully. Let it cool completely, then mix mayo and sriracha sauce for the creamy kick. Our dough has risen perfectly. Knead it once more to smoothen it and divide it into 6 equal parts, about 85 grams each, and roll them into soft balls. Dust your counter with flour and then roll each ball into a 6-inch circle. On a baking tray lined with parchment paper, place the rolled dough and mark a gentle line in the center. On one half, spread a layer of cream cheese. Fold the other side over to close it like a book. Brush the top with milk, sprinkle some mozzarella cheese, a pinch of crushed red chili, and oregano. Now bake it for 12 to 15 minutes, just until they puff up and turn golden. But wait, cover them with kitchen towel for 15 minutes to lock in that soft, pillowy texture. Now assembly. Gently open each pita from the center line, stuff it with crisp lettuce, and fill in the prepared cheesy chicken generously. And there you go, our cheesy chicken pita sandwich. It's melty, it's meaty, and made with love. So tempting and delicious that your family would ask for more. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Lemon Cone. Check out our panini chicken sandwich too. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling.